I'm turning this down. The music is way too loud. I can hear everything through these walls. They're like paper.
Sounds like a personal problem to me, bitch.
Sparkle! Are you drinking the Welch's grape soda? Don't you have diabetes?
So what?
Sparkle, it's the worst thing for you. You're gonna go into a diabetic coma. You need to be drinking the Shasta. It has no sugars in it whatsoever.
Get the fuck out of my face with that bullshit mess. Shoot, shit on the Shasta, okay, bitch? I'm all about the Welch's. Shoot, it's the greatest. You don't just come into somebody's house, tell them what they should and should not drink. I don't care if I have diabetes. I have diabetes. It's my problem, not your problem. You need to mind your business, you stupid white bitch. Shoot, get the fuck out of my house.
Sparkle, I'm just trying to help you. I'm trying to be a good neighbor. You know, if you keep drinking that sugary soda, you're gonna go into a diabetic coma.
Yeah, well, if you keep sticking your nose in my business, you will be 6 feet under. So get the fuck out my face!
Sparkle, it's your life. Live it however you want to, but I'm leaving.
Stupid bitch. I don't know who she thinks she is coming up in here telling me what to do, foreshadowing what's gonna happen to me and stuff. Shit. So grapey. I love it. I would never stop drinking you Welch's. Never. Ain't man gonna happen, bitch. What the hell? Oh, fuck my life. Damn. Oh, snap. Oh my God, where am I?
Hello, Sparkle. I want to play a game.
What kind of game? I'm not in the mood for games right now.
For
Somebody
years,
untie
you have
me.
been the type of person to burn your hands on a hot stove top over and over and over without ever realizing the folly of your actions.
Like a little bitch. Ow.
You are a person who cares not about human life.
Nope, sure don't.
As you continue to drink the sugary concoctions that gave you diabetes and threatened your health 6 months ago, that is why you are here.
Whatever.
Your arms are wired to a device. Under your right hand, a Welch's grape soda. Under your left hand, a bottled water. When the clock starts, you will have 60 seconds. The fan behind you will rise closer and closer, threatening to rip your hair weave out with its blades into your flesh.
My weed! Ah, you ain't fucking with my weed. Get me out of here. I'ma kick your ass, motherfucker. Shit, get me out of here. Ernestine, what the fuck is your white ass doing here?
If you choose the water, the blades moving closer and closer to Augustine's throat will stop and her life will be spared. If choose the grape soda, the fan will stop and Augustine's life will be sacrificed. It is your decision, Sparkle. Go ape or go home bald.
Make your choice.
Oh, shit!
Sparkle, please, don't let me die.
Shut up! I need
Please spare me. I'm a good neighbor. I'm a good neighbor. I put your name on my lease, please.
Fuck you, Ernestine!
I'll never turn your music off again. I don't care if the walls sound like paper. Please, get me out, please.
Hey, you remember when you sang about sneakers last week? Fuck you! Woo! Oh, snap! That is gross! Oh, shit! Speaking of shit, I got a doo-doo. Can you untie me now? Shit, I won't play no more.
Hey, yo, bitch, you look fine as a motherfucker.
Nigga, I know that. Shoot. But you don't talk to me that way because I am a lady. Okay? A lady. And will be treated as such. Shoot, I ain't got time to deal with your ass. Shoot, I got 5:30 movie tickets for color girls.